Ubak Prestone tensong naga National People's Party ubadai ru sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala Meghalaya haba penpau ikijing sus scam baga parti kan job haka election MP Lok Sabha Arja Arpusau na baro artli ki parliamentary constituency Kajala kata na Shillong bat tura ulaong baki kertong kata ka Dr. Ampareen lingdo bat ka Agatha sangma kidai ki ban nang maha ban Kren Hindi kumu Menteri Rangba du kari India Narendra Modi. Kani kejing Kren ubak Prestone tensong kelalong haka jengalang ki samla nongket kam ke parti haka nyau terik leber Arja Arpusau ha State Central Library Hall. Dak penpau badai banyak trailang ban penjob ikite ki long kemi ki badai ki kertong ke parti ubak Prestone ulaong. Baladaki pai ba ki pa dau kertong Voice of the People's Party sa Lok Sabha barok sans nam unsu pet na parliament namar bahang tei ki Kren dak Hindi.
Ki basu hala klebik hakeleng saudong hatrai ding hatrai mau hatrai riak kabam don jumbo dei re ini treasure hem nakabenta ka parti I be Dr. Jasmine Dr. Ampareen kumjuru ya Agatha ba kidyo ya ka jingjok ka badan burong ngin create record menta ka kanti ngin create ya ka record ba napo ka jela Meghalaya ni pa ya baro angut ki kentei ki long kemi ki badai ki simpa ki simsong ban ya Kren ban ya Atiar hangtei haga dorbar ba parlimen baro angut ka Kren Hindi ka jingbit ka balapalan malas ngeu ya ka jing Kren jongi doktor Dr. Ampareen Kren Hindi tiap-tiap kumu ba modi ba kumju roi Agatha kaju kumu ba modi tekine ki angut Maniki ski yo still don't way Rangba Kren. Kabas kotonat bah mau plang la ngamla. Uang la lagi pa yakine ki VPP syate sa parliament hanakin walk out na parliament baro sansnem kin na misim menta. Namar balai bagi ong ni persya ekte Hindi. Hantai ya parliament baro Kren Hindi lut. Baro Kren Hindi lut. Tenaga daus ngau bah Nginyami inang ne ngin persai pai ba sengau bahawat jet yu kandidat ke VPP khamta me uba persya hotkit hodang bani Kren Hindi namar u yelade kabamut marias dang ka session kin yami no napo ka parliament teji Kren je ka lebimi na parliament le no elut khati ke brokoj ko ki pai ba jong ka Shillong parliamentary constituency kendit benweu kapor kadang don menta
Hakani kejingalang lai don lang ru da National President ke NPP ukondot ki sangma ubadai ru Menteri Rangba Kajala Meghalaya ke Dr. Ampareen lingdo kepada ke kertong MP Lok Sabha na Shillong seat ki MLA ke parti nalor ki nongkit kam.
Just imagine being able to motivate these youngsters today to join us, to be with us, to believe in what we are trying to achieve for this state. Requires, as I said, a lot of dedication. So once again, I would like to congratulate the NPYF, the entire team, and especially Bakit. I have seen his dedication. I really would like to thank him and once again congratulate him. Friends, at the same time, why is the Youth Front so important for us? Why is it that Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister have come here in spite of so many other programs that we have? Right after this, we will be meeting 500 new doctors who have just been appointed. So Honorable Health Minister and myself will be meeting. You know that we have, in a record time of just 3 months, we recruited 500 doctors, and today we will be meeting all of them and just sharing some of our thoughts with them, because they will be people who will be saving lives at the grassroots level. So we felt it's important that they should listen to the leadership and at least understand what we have in our minds. And that program is at 12:30 today. But in spite of that, we came here to be with you because for us, our youth are very, very important. You have seen it in what we have done in the past, what we're going to do in the future also, and the plans that we have. I was sharing with some of the people yesterday, in fact, in the same hall. We were talking to some of the NCC cadets that there is a very special program that we have. I don't know if you know about this. It's called the Yes Meghalaya program. And through this Yes Meghalaya program, any youth group, anybody, you can form a group, register it. You want to do any activity. You want to have a football match, any sports activity, any music, activity, talent hunt, any kind of competition, any kind of environmental activities, anything that you want to do. You simply have to apply, and without asking any question. We as a state government are giving up to 1 lakh rupees to all the youth groups throughout the state. In the last 2 years, we have funded, I can't remember exactly, but close to 2,000 groups we had funded, and we spent approximately about 4 crores in the last 2 years. But in 2024-25, I have kept 20 crores to be given to the youth. 20 crores. So have more programs. Organize the youth. If NPYF can take the lead to also motivate and spread this message of how this government is working for the youth, and encourage them and guide them on how they can form organizations, be active and do the right thing and spend their energy in the right activities, I think it can be a great game changer for the youth and also for our party and the National People's Youth Front.
We have to ensure that we must arrest this anti-establishment that we see being inculcated by few political parties in the community. We have to arrest the fact that you cannot always antagonize with your government. This is your government. These are the leaders that you have chosen and have been elected by the people, for the people. Without speaking much, today, this is my message. Let us build this youth following. Let us give hope to so many thousands of youth who feel lost and without hope. Today I feel that your motto for the program today is apt. I wish the NPYF the very best. Make sure we channelize the young youth of our state into the right direction. I would like to see that we inculcate a feeling of appreciation, a feeling of working together. Let us build bridges, not walls around us.
Haba Tien, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata haba thiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.